Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Okay, let's dive deep into the Pandas DataFrame.append method. This tutorial will provide a comprehensive understanding of how to use it effectively, along with its limitations and better alternatives. What is Pandas DataFrame.append? The DataFrame.append method is used to concatenate two or more data frames together row-wise. Think of it as adding rows from one data frame to the end of another. It creates a new data frame containing all the rows from the original data frames, rather than modifying any of the input data frames in place. Basic usage. The simplest way to use append is to provide the data frame you want to add to the end of the existing one. Output asterisk. Notice that the index from df2 is preserved. This can be problematic if you need a unique,